This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Chromebook won't lose power or internet. Plug it in and join a stable Wi-Fi. Next, sign in and confirm the HP model in settings about so you know which build applies. Backup critical files to Google Drive or an external drive. This avoids data loss if a reset is needed. Once done, go to Settings about Chrome OS and click Check for updates to begin the download and install sequence. Once the update starts downloading, let it finish without interruption because partial downloads cause failures. Make sure the Chromebook stays awake and plugged in. Closing the lid or losing Wi-Fi can pause or corrupt installation. If the download stalls, check storage and clear space, remove unused apps or large downloads, then retry. After download completes, the system will usually prompt to restart to apply changes. Accept it. After the restart, you should confirm the OS version in Settings about Chrome OS so you know the update applied. Then update Chrome apps and check Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera, and printers to ensure drivers reconnected. If something feels off, clear browser cache and sign out/in to refresh services. If the Chromebook fails to boot or behaves erratically, use the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to create a recovery USB. This restores factory system images and resolves most update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.